Let's jump right into the tropics. We've got Hurricane Lee. We've got Tropical Storm Margot. Margot is going to stay out in the open ocean. Lee was a Category 5 earlier today. Now it's a Cat 4, just 2 miles shy of Cat 5 status. Look at the gusts at 190 miles per hour. Still looks like it's going to move to the west and northwest this weekend and avoid the Caribbean islands. Should stay as a Cat 4. Still talking large swells, dangerous rip currents for the northern Caribbean and the Bahamas this weekend. Then we get into early next week. It slows down in the southwestern Atlantic. And from that point, it's going to be tricky to say when and where is it going to turn. It looks like by Wednesday, Thursday of next week, it'll start to make that turn to the north. Right now, it's getting directed by this area of high pressure. That really is no longer the case once we get into early next week. Then we see this trough coming off the eastern seaboard. Still looks like it's going to pick it up and carry it up to the north. How much more to the north and northeast really just depends. We're really going to have to closely monitor this because it's so far ahead. It's hard to say the extent of the impacts, who will be impacted, if anybody at all. Here's a quick visualization with the Euro. Has it moving a little bit slower. And then by next weekend, basically misses the entire U.S. East Coast and almost completely misses the Canadian Maritimes. This is next weekend. The GFS has it going a little bit faster and takes it more into New England by next weekend and into the Canadian Maritimes. So really, if you live in New England, you live in Atlantic Canada, even Bermuda, this is something you're going to have to closely watch in the next week because changes, of course, are going to keep happening. So we'll keep monitoring that, but the Gulf of Mexico is going to stay quiet in the next week. Here at home, we have no tropical threats.